Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install AI CHAT GPT Always Visible widget for Redmi 12R. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and then find an app called AI Chat Wally. Right here is this app and we want to install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app. Then we can move through the introduction. If you would like, you can read through it. Open permissions and allow this app to draw over the other apps. Go back and click on Start. Now you should see this floating window, and you can click on it anytime to open a chat, ask anything, send a message. You'll see the response right here. If you want to close it, then simply click anywhere on your screen. And if you want to remove this floating icon, then simply drag it to the X right, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.